We cave exploring.
Check this out.
Is he picking his eyeball? Where am I here? Look at that. So in today's episode, we in Chiang Dao. It's about an hour, 30 minutes up from Chiang Mai where I was at, kind of doing all my videos. I heard this place is really nice and super chill. It's supposed to be peaceful and relaxing. So that's what side you're gonna get from me today. I know I'm usually a hype dude, but I also got a B side. So we're gonna take it calm. I'm gonna just show y'all around this place and just give y'all a cool experience of a place y'all might not ever get to go to. And if you do, kind of give you a cool experience from my perspective. I don't have a plan for what's going on today. I just drove up here. I do have a hotel that's pretty cool though. So I'll show y'all that later in the video. Grab that snack, sit down, and enjoy Chiang Dao.
Oh, don't you worry, I'll be back whenever you want me.
It's a big statue. These kind of places remind me of I play a game called Crimson Desert. It reminds me of that. Chiang Dao is known for the mountainscapes, like all around. So you can see where the clouds covering it and stuff like that a little bit. I'm gonna take the shoes off for respect, but look at this statue. It's like young monks. Why are they sawing that dude in half? Is he picking his eyeball? Man, this turned very dark pretty quick. I thought this was like a peaceful area. I think it's supposed to represent something. I wonder what this represents. Damn. All right, well, on that note, let's get on up out of here. This is to go into a cave. I saw it on the map, the Chiang Dao cave. I think I've seen it before on other YouTube videos, so this place is pretty popular. Dang, I wasn't recording, but this lady just came by and gave me this fruit for free. She was like, try this. It's pretty good. It's like grapefruit. Yeah, so we're at Wat Tam Chiang Dao. And it's a bunch of temples, and then it's above like the cave we'll go check out too, but it's a cooler area for temples and all that. So we're walking around here for 2 days, so we're gonna check out some viewpoints. I'll do a compilation of all the coolest stuff I find. Is this music or is this a chant? What are you doing out here? Huh? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, got him. All right, dude. See it. Oh, a little cat. What? Bro, I didn't even see this little cat. He started beating him up. Cat gonna grow up and beat up everybody, bro. Getting bullied by that little dog. Okay. Okay, that was pretty easy. 40 baht, which is $1 to see a cave. Okay, I'm glad we came here. SOS call point. Whoa. Damn. So that's if you get stuck in here. What? Bro. We cave exploring. So this is the point where you either go with a guide that way. It's 200 baht, and that's where you go do some really cave exploring, which we don't have time to do today. Or you come this way and it's free. So we're going free. Damn. How far does that go down? Damn, look at this. Oh. Be careful. You okay? Okay. I know that shit hurt. I hope I got that on camera. Yeah, you gotta be careful here. You know how on Elden Ring and all that stuff you find a treasure chest hidden somewhere? I'm over here looking for it. Damn. Look, there's a bat. Oh, I wish I could see it. What is he doing? Look, he's going to that little edge. Watch. There he is. He's hanging. I think bats get a bad rap because of the one blood-sucking bat, and I don't think they even do that to humans. It's just like cows and stuff. So they get bad press, bro. Propaganda. If you're around the area of Chiang Dao, just come take a walk because this is very cool. The one thing I noticed is all the tour guides to do that cave trip are female. I wonder why that is. All right, well, that was very cool. Let's continue on. A lot more sunny outside, which means we can go see some viewpoints. Wow, this is wild. Look at that. I don't even know what this viewpoint's called. I have to look it up. I got some good photo ops right here. Yeah. I forgot to get gas. So I got like, I think like a quarter tank. And I drove all the way up here in the middle of nowhere. I don't even have service. So I can't like keep going. But I don't want to keep going. Because I don't know when I'll run out of gas. So we got to head back down to the village, and then we're probably going to hit our hotel. I'm going to show y'all that, and then we're going to go back out and check out the town or something. Like, I've seen some tourists and everything, but it's got a real local vibe in Chiang Dao. Definitely a slower speed here that I really do appreciate. I'm curious to see what this hotel is like, because it looked cool on the booking website. Let's get back down before I run out of gas. My bad for the rough transition into the next morning, but I wanted to make sure I showed y'all this place when it's not raining. It was raining yesterday and I didn't want to get caught in the motorbike. Also, I didn't want to show y'all this place when it was just raining outside. So it's a pretty nice day today. It's the next day. We're gonna go see some more stuff. But real quick, I just want to show y'all this place. It's super cool.
Check this out.
There's usually a bigger view, like more mountains over here, but it's covered. I got some pictures of it, so I'll show y'all. That's where I stayed. It's my little house for the night. They just got cribs all around this place. They got these houses. They're super nice. There's a dude walking around kind of making everything. And it's super nice. He does real good landscaping around here, look. Damn, this place has a platform. Yeah, you can go down and like sit at the waterfall. Where am I here? It's like a fairy tale land. Look at that. Another house up there. They got a little platform for everybody to chill and hang out at. Oh, they got koi fish, or I don't know what they call it, koi fish, I think. And you can just sit here and chill. I hate that I gotta leave. This really helps tell the story of Chiang Dao and how nice it is. And again, remember I said like peaceful. This is a peaceful place. You just sit here, listen to the wind chimes, and look at the mountain. Yeah, this is how I feel right now. For sure. Check it out, and you get complimentary breakfast.
Damn, this shit good as hell. It's like banana mixed with something with coconut on top.
Get a little porch area. It's called the bamboo one, so it's made out of bamboo. So yeah, I forgot to ask for one bed, so I just put the twin beds together and made a huge bed. Bathroom is interesting. You have the shower right next to the toilet, so if you want to take a shower and shit, you can at the same time. This is all I need. They got a fan, they got an air conditioner, hot water, all the light switches and everything work. This is perfect, man. The best thing, check this, like I slept right on this corner. Look at this view when you wake up. You just open the blinds. That's like a perfect thing to wake up to. You can't start your morning off bad with a view like that. This was 699 baht a night, which comes out to 20 USD, which is really good for something like this. I 10 out of 10 recommend it if you are in Chiang Dao, or if you're in Chiang Mai wanting to go up to Chiang Dao for just a day trip and want to spend a night overnight. So I need to grab some coffee, and I found this place on the Google Maps and it looked pretty cool. Look at this place, a coffee spot in the rice fields. Dang, it looks like a nice spot over there, and then you got these spots out here. So yeah, just finding cool spots. Get to walk on a little boardwalk. What a place to grab a coffee. Chiang Dao knows how to do it, man. At the front, they got little beds and shit. Ooh, and I get this place all to myself. Oh man. So you could just take a nap here. What a cool ass coffee shop. On the rice fields with a mountain view with little beds that you can chill at. I've just been sitting here thinking about how cool this place is. This place makes you sit down and do nothing. Now we're finna ride up north. Let's just go ride up north in the country town and see what we can find. No plan, life is grand. Don't ask me where I am. I'm out in the country somewhere. We just kept driving and kind of came to the farm areas of up north. What an adventure, man. I hope y'all experienced the peace and serenity of this place like I did. Hopefully I can put that through the video, you know. I ain't seen one tourist since I've been out here. The farther you go, the less tourists you get. Shout out Chiang Dao. If you're ever in Chiang Mai, take a little hour, 30-minute drive up to Chiang Dao and experience this place, because I recommend it a lot. Very unexplored place. I mean, people have, but I could tell like a lot of people don't come up this way, especially as far as I'm going up. I gotta get going before this weather turns on me like it always tries to do. But other than that, y'all know my outro. Stay dope.